Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap, and I'm testing another fragrance today. This is the third of four. This one is called Calypso Sun from Crafter's Choice, which I purchased at Wholesale Supplies Plus. And this is a bright, fruity, tropical smelling scent. Love it. And all the reviews just gave it wonderful reviews. Many of the reviews said that it gives a lot of time to work in cold processed soap and that it holds its scent in cold processed soap. Two big important things. So I'm going with some tropical colors. So we'll be using the Nurture Soap's Orange Vibrance amped up with Brambleberries Tangerine Wow. I will be using Nurture Soap's Blue Vibrance, which I haven't used in a long time. Really nice blue. And then I will be using a mixture of Brambleberries Fizzy Lemonade, which is a really nice bright yellow. And as though it's not bright enough, I'm going to amp it up with some Mad Micah's Tennis Ball Breaker yellow, neon yellow. And for the frosting, I'm not sure if I'm going to like this or not, but I'm going to try it anyway. And we'll do a two-tone with Mad Micah's Blue Tide, since this is a nice tropical scent. And I'm also going to use Nurture Soap's Sea Green and do a two-tone frosting. So I believe I have said enough. Let's get busy and make some soap. As soon as I get everything put away before I make a big mess. Alright, here we go. Get you into the picture. So we're going to start by doing the usual. Pouring the lye water into the oils. I'm soaping just slightly cooler today. Probably a little closer to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which will be just fine. So we will bring this to a very basic emulsification. Which has been achieved. And as usual, this first one is going to be our frosting. I usually fill it about halfway, just eyeballing. And the other three colors will be even, or as close as possible. And yes, close is good enough. And we'll scrape this container out because I am finished with it. So let's get our soaps colored. So we'll start with our Orange Vibrance and put in a teaspoon of Orange Vibrance. And about maybe an closer to a half of the Brambleberries Tangerine Wow. My camera won't pick this up. It doesn't do it justice, just how potent this is. Now let's get our Blue Vibrance in. Beautiful blue. roughly, a teaspoon or even a slightly heaping teaspoon is usually enough for these containers. And our yellow is mixed with hot water because they're powders and they lose specks if you don't mix them very well enough. So dump those in. Give everything a hand stir, lightest to darkest. Very nice. Excellent. There's our color palette. Very nice. So let's give these just a real quick buzz, especially that orange with that powder in it that was not pre-dispersed. And I do mean just a quick buzz. And our fragrance. And once again, this has a very high skin safe usage, so I can safely use this entire bottle. So just going a fourth, a fourth, a fourth, and a fourth for the frosting. Let's hand stir it in first, since I am testing it, but I'm pretty confident because of all the reviews. Yep, we're good. Yep, no problem at all with this. So, clean the stick blender head. Give it another quick buzz. These shorter containers, I tend to pull the stick blender up and it catches air in it. It makes that funny sound. Okay, we are ready to pour. Now the hope was to be able to do a tiger stripe, which is normally not a good stripe to do when you're testing a fragrance, but I'm pretty confident with this one. And that's where you just pour a thin stripe down the center with all of your colors until they're completely used, and that's what I'm going to try to do. Based on the reviews that this holds up well, so just pour orange down the center. This was a really slow pour and not necessarily that dramatic, so I decided it would probably be best to speed it up a little bit and shorten the video some. This is where I realized I may have a problem pouring yellow and blue together and not ending up with green in this. And I realized there was no way out of it. I might as well just go ahead with the original intended pour. So far the batter's staying nice and fluid. Really pleased with it. As you can probably tell, because the length of time it took to make this pour, the batter is starting to thicken up just a little bit. It's also getting a little bit grainy. So at this point, I decided to give it a good stir and mix things back up, which gave me a little bit more working time, made it a little bit more fluid. At this point, it's really getting thick, although it is still pourable. And now, time to get the final in and scrape it out. And now we'll get the final remnants of the soap on the top so I can make a pattern on the top. time to cut our soap, and man, I'm really liking what I see so far. Look at that. Look at those colors. And once again, my inexpensive camera doesn't really pick up just how vivid those colors are. But let's just cut right into this. I do have a feeling I'm going to have some green in this from the yellow and blue mixing. It's kind of looking that way too on the sides. So I don't know, that might be a good thing. Oh, my poor old camera. This stupid tripod. I haven't ordered a new one yet, and I've got to get a new one ordered. Let's see, that's just taking you out. No, actually, it did pretty much what I expected. And wow. That looks pretty much what I was planning on, so yay. So yeah, I just love it when things go just the way I planned, and this one did. Very happy with these. And I have one more fragrance to test, so I will get that made this week and uploaded this weekend. So thanks for watching, everybody, and once again, stay safe and take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you this weekend. Bye.